Alright, welcome everyone. It's a really nice hot day. I haven't flown in a while, so I just wanted to go fly today. That's the whole plan today, just fly. Take off!
Hi. Information Echo. Please check now Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp with information Echo. Would like to remain in the pattern if possible.
For 66 Romeo Delta, runway 21 right via Delta and Echo, advisement on complete.
21 right via Delta and Echo will advise on complete 66 Romeo Delta, thank you.
Clear 81 Golf Delta, Atlantic Road, thank you.
That's taxiway hotel to my left. Echo is coming up, I see the run-up pad right in front of me. Please check now Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, run-up complete.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, runway 21 right, monitor tower.
21 right, monitor tower, 66 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower. Right close traffic, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic for 66 Romeo Delta, clear for takeoff, 21 right.
FH Tower 704 Bravo, Romeo Bravo, 5 miles, 21 right.
Good. Canopy closed.
Number 704 Romeo Bravo, roger, runway 21 right, clear to land.
Alright, blue line 21 right, 704 Romeo Bravo. Peachtree Tower 16 Papa Charlie, square in our base, got looking for the traffic in front of us.
Now 16 Papa Charlie, roger, I'll give you an update in about a mile or two. Square that base turn, runway 21 left, clear to land.
We're at 21 left, clear to land, 16 Papa Charlie.
Jet card 536 Peachtree Tower, fly runway heading for downstairs, need for an additional turn, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, fly runway heading, stay with you for now, clear for takeoff, 21 left, jet card 536.
Number 5 Charlie, Charlie, extend the downwind, your traffic is followed as a Cessna on a 3-mile final, report them in sight.
Extended downwind, looking for Cessna. 16 Papa Charlie, traffic going to the right side.
Hey, affirmative, you're number 1 for runway 21 left, number 16 Papa Charlie.
Thank you, number 1, clear to land.
Charlie, you can start your base turn now. Number 66 Romeo Delta, your traffic is the Decathlon, about a mile ahead of you in the downwind, 1,800. Additional traffic, the helicopter northbound, 1,500.
66 Romeo Delta, looking for the Decathlon and the helicopter.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, runway 21 right. Clear touch and go, number 4 behind the Decathlon.
66 Romeo Delta, looking for the Decathlon. Can we turn right now for right base?
Number 6 Romeo Delta, you can turn base now.
Thank you, 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, the Decathlon ahead and to your left, change into the parallel.
6 Romeo Delta, now I have them inside. Tower, option 347, 6 from Sham.
Option 347, Peachtree Tower, runway 21 left, clear to land.
1 left, clear to land, options 347.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, runway 21 right, clear touch and go. The traffic for the parallel is a Phenom on a 3-mile final.
66 Romeo Delta, clear for touch and go, looking for the traffic.
Sir, make straight in runway 21 right.
Straight in, runway 21 right, 103 Alpha Victor.
This field you can expect to come over the top for a right downwind for runway 21 right.
Full 43 miles east of the field and come over the top, right downwind for 21 right, 6 over Foxtrot. Tower 70 Golf, we have the Cherokee in sight.
5. Number 66 Romeo Delta, runway 21 right, clear touch and go.
66 Romeo Delta, clear for 21 right. This will be a full stop, sir.
Roger, number 6 Romeo Delta, clear to land.
Clear to land, 66 Romeo Delta, thank you.
Number 92980, Big Chase Group to the north.
980, thank you.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, right at Foxtrot, ground point 6.
Right at Foxtrot, ground point 6, thanks for all this.
66 Romeo Delta, future ground, taxi self-serve via Alpha Bravo.
Alpha Bravo. Thank you so much.